Okay, so this is how I make my Bulletproof coffee. In this container that is my NutriBullet container, I have about 8 to 10 ounces of coffee, and to it I'm going to add, and it's very hot, I just brewed it, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Kerrygold butter, this stuff. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil, very liquidy. I don't keep it refrigerated, and I live in Arizona, so it doesn't stay solid on my counter. Alright, then to this I'll also add a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Then I will add a scoop of collagen. This is the scoop that comes in the container. Great for your hair, great for your skin, great for your joints. Collagen is awesome. And then finally I add my sweetener, and I use this stuff. It's a blend of monk fruit and erythritol. This is one of few sweeteners I've been able to use that doesn't have a terrible aftertaste. So I add about 2 teaspoons of this. And then I use this little frother blender. Let's see if I can. You basically just turn it on and it spins. So I put it in here, spin it, you could use a blender, you could use an emulsifier or like a blending stick or a milk frother like I'm using. If you use hot enough coffee, then this will be enough to get everything melted and kind of blended together perfectly. I like to blend mine for just a little bit to get a lot of that froth. This is a good way of getting in your fat for the day, keeping you satiated for a long while because of all the fat that you put in it between the butter, the coconut oil, and the cream. Oh, and then also one thing I forgot, I like to add to mine some caramel extract. I use very little, just like a couple of drops. This is the stuff that we use. It's not the real thing, but it's hard to find real caramel extract. You only need a tiny bit. You can also add vanilla or any other flavor you want. Chocolate might be a good idea too. And yeah, that's basically it. Once it's done, I pour it into a mug with a handle, and I sip on it for, takes me a while to get through it. It's very thick and heavy and creamy.